Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and as promised in my last video, I said I would show you how you could save some wood when you're doing a test on this product right here. And I actually had to change computers. I think my old computer finally crashed, so I'm doing this on my laptop, so my voice is going to sound a little bit different. But what I would do to do this, if this is your laser bed, let's just Control D and make a duplicate of this photograph and move the duplicate over here. The most important part of this picture would be somebody's face or this dog's face. And there is a line in here, but I think it's just transferred over from the I don't really think it's there. So take your crop tool, and whenever you use your crop tool, make sure you're selected on your item so it won't take away everything else. But I would just crop out that much. And then run this on a scrap piece of wood, possibly on the same kind of wood you're going to do that on. And you've saved, this is only a little over 2 inches by 1 inch compared to doing this big engraving. This is the most detailed, that's probably the most important. If this works out well, I guarantee you everything else will look good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.